Just in case you're not familiar with Trubbish, it's a poison-type Pokemon introduced in Gen 5. Basically, it's a living bag of trash, formed when garbage and industrial waste were exposed to mysterious energy. It may not look like much, but don't underestimate it. It's known for its toxic fumes and ability to defend itself. After separating Trubbish into individual shapes, I'll begin applying textures. Sometimes I start with basic shading, but this time I'm using a 3D render of a trash bag that already features prominent highlights and shadows. I'll still add my own adjustments later, but I'll take advantage of the existing details from the render. For the ears, I'm using a similar texture to the trash bag model that I used on the body. The front ear needs to be attached to the body, so I'm using the tied off section from this 3D model of a trash bag. Now I'm just going to do the same thing to the feet that I did with the ears. Moving on, the trash spilling from the sides of the bag formed this Pokemon's arms. In the official art, this trash appears as a couple of brown blobs with some pink and green bits sticking out. To create a realistic looking pile of trash without distinctive features, I used AI to generate the texture. This worked well because it looks like trash, but the individual pieces aren't easily distinguishable. As for the pink bits, I'll use a red solo cup and adjust the colors. Likewise, for the green bit, I'll use a 3D render of a plastic bottle and adjust it as needed. So, as I'm sure you're aware, the trash pile needs to be brown, but my image has more colorful parts, so I'm going to fix that. Trubbish's teeth are meant to look like broken glass. I'll use layer styles to give them that glass-like appearance. Trubbish is made from a green trash bag, not a black one, so we gotta fix that. I'll add shading and highlights to the eyes using layer styles just like I did with the teeth. With all the textures in place, I'll start applying overall shading. I almost forgot to give the guy a mouth for those teeth. And back to the shading. To finish everything off, I'll add a blue tint to the shadows and enhance the highlights. And that's a wrap on Trubbish. If you like this video, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. Also, drop a comment below and let me know your favorite Pokemon. There's a good chance you'll see me bring it to life in a future video. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.